Let's start with polymers. The word polymer means many, poly means many, mer means unit or part or molecules. So the term polymer is defined as very large molecules having high molecular weight of the order of 10 to the power 3 to 10 to the power 7 U. U means unified mass. This also refers to macromolecules which are formed by joining repeating structural units on a large scale. For example, chlorophyll and hemoglobin are macromolecules. The repeating structural units are derived from some simple reactive molecules which are called monomers. That is, small molecules which on repetition leads to the formation of large molecule are called monomers. And these monomers are linked by covalent bond. The process of formation of polymers from the smaller units which are called monomers is called polymerization, and the transformation of ethene to polythene and interaction of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid leading to the formation of nylon 6,6 are examples of two different type of polymerization reactions. First one is formation of polythene involves addition polymerization, whereas formation of nylon 6,6 involves condensation polymers. In addition polymers, we use unsaturated monomers, whereas in condensation polymers, we use multifunctional group monomers. For example, large number of ethene molecules get polymerized and result in the formation of polythene. And hexamethylene diamine, large number of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid condense together and result in the formation of nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 means that both the monomers have 6 carbon atoms. Classification of polymers. Classification based on source. First is natural polymers. These polymers are found in plants and animals, that is natural sources. For example, proteins, cellulose, starch, some resins and rubber, natural rubber, they are examples of natural polymers. And protein, cellulose, starch are also called biopolymers. Semi-synthetic polymers, cellulose derivatives such as cellulose acetate, rayon, it is also used as plastic, and cellulose nitrate called gun cotton used as explosive are usual example of these semi-synthetic polymers. And rayon is also called artificial silk because it has shiny like silk, but actually chemical composition is like cotton. Synthetic polymers. A variety of synthetic polymers such as plastic, that is polythene, synthetic fibers, nylon 6,6 or polyester, and synthetic rubbers like Buna S, Buna N, neoprene. These are examples of man-made or synthetic polymers which are extensively used in our daily life as well as in the industry. Classification based on structure of polymers. First, we are classifying into linear polymers. These polymers consist of long and straight chain. The example is high density polythene, polyvinyl chloride. This is the linear polymers, that is chain. We have got straight chain isomers. Second, we have branch chain isomers. These polymers contain linear chains having some branch. For example, low density polythene, they are depicted as follows. There are some branching in these, therefore they are called branch chain polymers. And their density is low because the intermolecular force of attractions are less due to branching. Cross-linked or network polymers, these are usually formed bifunctional or trifunctional monomers, that is those monomers which contain more than one functional group and contain strong covalent bond between various linear polymer chains. For example, bakelite and melamine are cross-linked polymers. These polymers are shown like this, that there is a cross-linkage between them due to which the forces of attractions are very strong, and these polymers do not melt on heating. They retain their shape. Classification based on mode of polymerization. First is addition polymers. Those polymers which are formed by addition reaction of monomers possessing double or triple bond are called addition polymers. In these polymers, there is no loss of small molecules like water, ammonia, NaCl, etc. And monomers are generally unsaturated, having double or triple bonds. The addition polymers are formed by polymerization of single monomeric species. If the addition polymers are formed by only one type of monomers, we call them homopolymers. And this polymerization can be called as homopolymerization. For example, large number of ethene molecules result in the formation of polythene, and since there is only one type of monomer, this is called homopolymer. The polymers made by addition polymerization from two different monomers to different type of monomers are called copolymers, and this process is called copolymerization. Example is Buna S and Buna N. The monomer of Buna S is 1,3-butadiene and styrene, and these two double bonds will change to single bond here. This bond will change to single bond, this bond will change to single bond, and the single bond will become double bond. And this bond will be removed and chain will be formed. This chain is formed. This is called butadiene styrene rubber or Buna S rubber. It is an example of copolymer, and reaction is an example of copolymerization. Buna N monomers are 1,3-butadiene and vinyl cyanide, and they result in the formation of Buna N. Same way, two double bonds change to one double bond in the center. These two double bonds change to single bond. This double bond also changes to single bond, and chain is formed. This is the repeating unit of Buna N. This is the repeating unit of Buna S. The difference is here we have got phenyl group, here we have got cyanide group. Here monomer is butadiene and styrene. Here we have butadiene and vinyl cyanide. Next we are taking condensation polymers. Condensation polymers are formed by condensation reaction between two compounds having different functional groups. Generally they have two functional groups, it may be three functional groups also. In these polymerization reaction, elimination of small molecules such as water, alcohol, hydrogen chloride, etc. take place. These are also called step growth polymers because these take place in small steps and their molecular weight increases slowly. This is the example of condensation polymer where hexamethylene diamine is reacting with adipic acid and results in the formation of nylon 6,6 plus water molecules are eliminated. So nylon 6,6 is an example of condensation polymer of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. It is also called polyamide fiber because there are large number of amide linkages or peptide linkages. There is a question, is this CH2CH6H5 C6H5 a homopolymer or copolymer? Answer, it is homopolymer of styrene. It can be called as polystyrene because there is only one type of monomer, that's why it is called homopolymer.